Now here we are, 1914, 211cc, new Hudson. Walk around, come round this side. You can see controls front brake, choke, throttle. Down at the tank we have the oil pump to put the oil into the engine. 2 speeds, high and low with no clutch. Belt drive, footboards round to the back. Back brake block operates onto the belt rim. Gas lighting, the set lane backlight with its own generator. Round to this side, flywheel, chain case, advance and retard, horn, front light with generator. Nice little bike. The only thing is, has no clutch, makes it bad to start. We'll give you the start up sequence. Turn the petrol on, open the throttle, choke off a bit, round the rear, put it into gear, put it into high gear, just juggle the back wheel a bit so she goes in, into high gear, and then with a bit of luck we'll do a pull on the back wheel and it might go and it might not. Started alright. Got that choke off. Got out of gear. That. I'm pulling the decompressor, as I say, 2 speed, no clutch, started off, put it into low, paddle it away with the decompressor in, let the decompressor out, starts up, to change gear, just pull the decompressor to take the load off the gearbox and knock it into the next one. That's the lot. Nice little bike all in all.